Hi there, I'm Peter Millard and this is 10 Minute Workshop, where 10 minutes in the workshop is never enough. In the workshop this week I've got a really quick tip for you. It's all about cleaning up old filler knives. It's coming up next. You know, two-part resin fillers are fantastic. They're fast curing, dry hard as anything, and it still stay quite flexible. But one of the headaches I've found with them is cleaning up the filler knives after you've used them, once the filler's set. Well, I found one of the easiest things to do was just to use a random orbital sander with a fairly coarse grit abrasive. I'm using P80 to clean up the face of the filler knives. Then P120 to clean up the edges by hand. So that's it for this week's quick tip. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you found that useful. It's a great way of keeping your filler knives in good shape. All it takes is a random orbital sander and a bit of coarse grit abrasive. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, share it freely, and do consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. Hey, just check back on a Friday when there's always something new up at noon. I'll see you then. Take care.